is it okay to transplant my magnolia tree that has purple blossoms on it? I forgot the name of it. I bought it last year. I am afraid the flowers will die or fall. I want it in a location that I can see it from my window, and this is May.
Well, she can transplant it because it sounds like a young tree, but wait until it is dormant. In other words, until the leaves fall off of it in the fall and into the spring and winter.
Okay.
But yeah, I would transplant it after the leaves fall off and before the leaves come back on.
Okay. And make sure you get that watered in real good.
Yes, and make sure she gets the majority of the root system.
Yes,
Because if it's a
good
young
point.
tree, just, you know, the less you can disturb the roots, the better.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.